Senator Gatchalian sent a big thank you to his mother on social media. The lawmaker is in isolation after a research person who attended the Senate hearing tested positive of COVID-19. While undergoing self-quarantine, Gatchalian received a package from his mom. The package contained a box of face mask, vitamins, thermometer, and onions. Friends and followers of the senator enlightened him.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.